What's good boys? My name is Sean. Welcome to another video boys. Ayan na, kompleto ng OG Chinelas Games boys. Ayan, so ito si Boss Neg. Ayan si Kalbo, galing Canada. Ayan, ito yung intro natin pero madami na kami nagawa. Ito si Boss G. Ayan, may injury yan. Makikita nyo mamaya sa vlog habang nakanganga. Kasi ito si Kuya Guard, ang artista ng Chinelas Games. Pumuputi, nag-gluta yata ngayon to boys. So yan, kita kasi tayo sa vlog. Let's go. Basic.
Wala na ito.
Boss Neg, Boss G. Saan sa Iban? Hey, let's go.
Sometimes I get so mad, there's no control in me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know my wrath. My blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me fucked up, let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll put it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. I don't fucking take smoke, I'ma poke a hole through you, choking's overdue. Come at me and you won't get any older, dude. Crack your holder too. Heating up inside of me, blood so violently. Thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes a dynasty. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll put it on your face to make you go take it back. I'll lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. And now you go wish you would shut the fuck up real bad. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. And now that I'm gone, yeah, I know there's no turning back. Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts. I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth. Can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about. Have your fucking cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round. Bitch, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 live, cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my fucking mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and...
Ito food waste. So dito na lang, patong na lang natin. Patong mo na lang dyan, basurahan din naman to.
Ako hindi ka makakapagsunod.
Hello.
Brom brom. Basura. Sino tumatawag? Si Kalbo? Bigyan natin kay ano?
Hello po.
Kalbo! Ano mo? Ano po? Opo.
Yan ang anak kong buso.
Paboritong anak.
Pasok na niya rito.
Paboritong anak. Boys, nandito na kami sa bahay. Kalbo.
Bogart.
Get your bubbles. Boys, nandito na tayo. Nagluto. Niluto mo nga yung itlog? Gago, niloloko lang kita. Gagawa ta. Sabi ko magluto yung Ebon.
Kaya nilandahan ka ng sili. Yung sila.
Luto ni Joel. Nakapagbuhat na kami kanina. Kasi tinarantado kami nito. Mali yung sinabi nila naman.
Bukas. Chess, bukas.
Bukas daw. Bukas yung chess. Ayan. So, pinagluto niya kami. Silang dalawa ng girlfriend niya.
Fiancé.
Fiancé pala, sorry. Ayan, no? Okay boys, nandito tayo sa Nasugbu, sa bahay ni Joel. Kung kilala nyo yun, yung sumikat sa TikTok tapos biglang nawala sa TikTok boys. Habang nagpo-boom siya, nawala din siya. Yan. So, ayun si Joel. You left your orange juice there. Nandito kami ngayon sa beach nila Kalbo, ni Joel. Kaso mataas yung alon. Kakatapos nung namin kumain, nakita nyo naman. So si Bogart mamaya pang 8 aalis sa Pampanga yun, kaya hindi namin kasabay si Kuya Bogart. Pero bukas pa uwi, doon na kami sa kanya sasakay. So kanina na kay Boss G kami. And si Brom Brom. Brom, it's raining!
Hindi naman diripin kanina. Sana all din na tayo.
Let's go! Oh, tulog pa. Kuya mo yun. Para malakas mamaya. Andyan na si Boss G. Almusal. Okay boys. Ayan. Nag-almusal sila. Oh, naka-earbuds. Si Boss G papunta dito boys. Kaso mukhang alanganin.
Grayson.
Nag-reason. Boys, si Boss G ay nandito na. Boss G, papalakasin natin loob mamaya. Siya maglilid ng workout. Boys, may pasyente tayo. Nakatulog na. Hinapin natin si Kuya Bogart. Si Boss G. Masakit yung tiyan ni Boss G. Mamaya papagpahingan muna namin bago kami magbuhat. Makakabuhat na si Kuya Bogart din. Alas 6 na natulog. Kasi biyahe nun. Alas 2 na dumating. 2 AM. Tas di agad nakatulog. Tignan natin. Mag-minicut pa yan kasi magbabatangas. Tawag dito. Kasi lumaki daw siya ng 87 kg. Sobrang bigat. Mabigat pa sa akin. Ito yung mga kasama natin dito sa bahay nila Joel. Si Boss G. Kasama si J Nene. Si Calvo. Si Boss Neg. Wala na si Calvo bigla. Ayun. Ano yung mga aso niya. Boss G nagpapagaling pa. Si Calvo gigising ngayon daw kuya niya. Nagsantukan yata sila kagabi. So yan boy, bubuhat kami alas 10. Gumagaling na si Boss G. Naliligo na ako niyan.
Bulag. Na, kumain ka na. Bakit lang ako mamaya sa'yo, wala kang kain. Uy. Na! Kumain ka na. Kaya wala kang dahilan mamaya. Kumain, kain. Ito, hinahantay ka. Tukin pa lang, tukin pa lang.
Puyat yan. Oh, flex agad. Nag-minicut. Daming abs na ito mamaya. Okay boys, ayan. So, babanat na kami sa Iceman Backyard Gym. And sa home gym ni Calvo para advantage siya. And si Kuya Bogart. Teka lang. Pakita natin. Koreano. Ito si Boss Neg. Tapos, ayun si Boss G. Pagtapos ma-injury, business again. Ayan. Kita-kita sa tayo doon. Let's go. Na boys, home court ni Calvo. So, ayan, sikat yan sa TikTok, di ba? Kung kalala nyo yan, syempre bahay niya to. Lugi kami.
What?
Kaso, advantage namin, sanay kami sa init.
Sama po kayo. Hindi ko mag-medyo po ako.
Iceman Backyard Gym, home court ni Calvo. Babanat na tayo, kita kayo sa workout.
Shot like Michael, Jordan to the top and I go, winning on like a maestro, never gonna stop, no I won't, I know I make it look easy, it took a lot of work, believe me, but now I look like Michael, Jordan to the top and I go, to be the best, need to learn some lessons. To be the best, you can't second guess it. You need the tests, all the pain and stressing. Give me the pressure, man, that shit's a blessing. You gotta play every single day like it's your last, you ain't here to stay. Yeah, life ain't promised, it can always change, but you're here today. I shoot my shot like Michael, Jordan to the top and I go, winning on like a maestro, never gonna stop, no I won't, I know I make it look easy, it took a lot of work, believe me, but now I look like Michael, Jordan to the top and I go.
Maniwala eh.
Hindi ba kasi mabas tayo? Taga-kanad na ba yun, hindi na magbuhat?
Lalay na ako. Bigat.
Hindi, ano yan? Coach mo.
Okay. Sabo ka na.
Push!
Yung wala sa oras.
Coach, yung tingnan mo yung ano?
Pwede na. Ito yung ano dito.
Sige.
Angat.
1, 2, angat ka pa na.
Oo.
Kita ko. Give it up. 1, Up. 2. Up.
Good luck dun.
Lagi na, iwakan mo lang eh.
Ganyan talaga. 1. Antayin mo.
Tatlo si Bogart.
2.
Buwan.
Ilima mo yan.
Hop! Pwede na yan. May tuwan. Hop!
Winning on like a maestro, maestro. Never gonna stop, no I won't, I won't. I know I make it look easy. It took a lot of work, believe me. But now I look like Michael Jordan to the top, here I go. Those who stay humble, they become the legends. They let their work talk, it's never questioned. Don't put their time and energy to flexing.
Hop! Nandiyan si Kalbo! Hop! Bawa konti.
Ang coach.
Sige.
Okay.
Itaw. Hop!
Bilis!
Sige, isa pa. Punta na yung daan. Sige, hop!
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah.
Through the night and morning, when the rain is pouring, you're the one I'm calling. You're my escape from my darkest days. And when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding, chasing the horizon with you. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me, it goes like, ooh, look no further, look no further. Ooh, look no further. It goes like, ooh, look no further, look no further. Ooh, look no further. It goes like, I never thought I'd find it. A love that feels so perfect, I can't even word it. Yeah, you make me lift up from the ground. I believe that we are more, all the world is looking for. Show them all we got it. Never look back, never let go. I don't need to look no further. You are the one I'm certain, only one that I'll be holding. When you're loving me,
Yan, huwag kayong lalampas dyan.
Diyan kayo magtigaan.
Oo. Individual yan. Talo si Kalbo dyan, di nagpa-practice eh.
Nagsisip tayo eh.
Okay. Tagal mo ah.
Sanchez! Sanchez!
Men specific.
Sanchez! Hindi magpapalaw natin, okay?
Nag-vlog.
Classic ka na. O, sige. Bigyan mo na to.
Atras Kalbo para maganda yung ilaw. Yan.
Tricep naman yan eh. Talo ko sa sen.
Makulong natin sa practice.
Maganda yung palo ng ilaw eh, Bogart. O, Sanchez ulit, Sanchez ulit.
You're loving me, it goes like look no further, look no further. Look no further, it goes like look no further, look no further.
So yun boys, tapos ako mag-workout. Di ba parang wala lang, parang hindi kami first time magkita-kita, parang magkakapatid na kami. Kuya Guard.
So,
Wala. Ayun.
mahina sila magbuhat, sumuko sa akin.
Yun lang yung workout namin. So si Boss G kasi hindi makapaspas ng todo kasi ano, in-acid. Sumakit yung tiyan, nag-craps. So tignan natin saan pa tayo mapupunta. Gym ay beach kahapon. Ayan, nandito na si Kuya Bogart. Boss na kasama ko. Sobrang laki ng alon kaya hindi kami makapag-swimming ngayon dito sa beach. Sinara na yung ano, sinara na yung gate. Hindi na pwedeng mag-swimming talaga. May puti ka?
Ganda na.
Oo, kasi yung tela.
Order na kayo XRJ, shout out sa'yo, idol. Chong. Ito, order. Binenta ko, Chong.
Yun, no?
Binibenta ko. Bogart. May ganyan din ako. Oh, okay.
Na? Paris lang. Puti. Kasi dapat ano, malinis yung gym mo pag ganyan yung suot mo. Puti. Large, oh.
Hindi siya maputing-maputi, no?
Hindi. Swap nyo, picture muna kayo nakaswap tapos naka-RP yung puti. Ayan, boys. Nag-swap sila ng ano, ng damit. Si Kuya Bogart binigyan niya ng ano.
Pa-repair may panganyan yan eh. Oh? Ay, pa-repair pa. Sayang yung tela.
Tingnan mo, pangit ko naka ano.
Okay naman. May arti ka mo, Murat. May arti ka mo.
Hindi kasi ako sanay.
Grabas nag.
Get pwesto muna kayo. Pwesto muna kayo.
Maganda nga ganyan. Maganda pa-repair.
10, 9, 8, 6, 5.
Apa?
Pantay ko, black man.
Nga.
Sige, sige.
Oo.
May konti
January ah. January, una mo. Kailan magpapadepress doon? Wala mahalang ticket. Iiwan na namin si Kalbo. Ito na. Iba na naman to dun sa gamit namin sa NBAU, no, boys? Yan, iba na naman yung gamit na sasakyan ni Kuya Guard. Alam nyo naman, big time.
Hintayin nyo, sa August, bibili natin yun.
Bibili natin yan, yung race.
300,000.
Ano, BMW pa si Kalbo.
Thank you, coach.
Ano? Ano mabilis? Oo nga. Friday, uwi ka na. Lunes na bukas. Alim, mabilis ka ng oras. Ano? Si Kuya Gart naman, nakikisakay lang kami, boys. Ayan. Si Boss Neg. Laki ng mukha niya ngayon. Kung lumaki yung mukha ko, tapos nung pinagpawisan ako, nawala na agad.
Yun na nga kumain yan, no? Yun na kumain.
Kuya Gart, partida manual. Manual
Na
basic. Basic 5 hours manual. Eh, mas basic to, boys. Eh, alam nyo naman, nung NBAU depleted to, nagda-drive, natutulog na sa biyahe. Kalahati lang ng diwa gising. Binasic niya lang yung ano. Saan kasi yun? Makati na. Kaya, yung kung saan ka lumarong NBAU?
Circuit, Makati.
Makati, o sa Makati.
Instinct na lang yung daan.
Sa Makati,
Pikit na ako, instinct
from
lang yung
Makati
daan.
to Pampanga. Binasic niya lang.
Galing pa akong Tagaytay nun.
Oo.
Tagaytay, tapos
Nagano siya, pick week niya kasi ginanap niya sa ano, sa Tagaytay, doon siya nag-pick week. Tapos
hindi ko si stress.
ayun,
Tapos pag uwi ko,
sinundo niya kami sa ano, kasi bumili siyang pang carb up. Sinundo niya kami Pampanga, tapos balik na naman siya sa Manila, Makati, NCR. Basic lang yung manual.
ngayon ko lang makikita umaga yung nasugbo.
Nasugbo. Ah,
Gabi ako nakating naman.
maganda dun sa ano, dinaanan. Sa Starbucks muna kami kasi kailangan namin ng coffee fix. Ayan. Kami na lang tatlo. Let's go.